Okay. This Tech Tuesday today, I'm going to show you how to create a flip book or flip snack book here so that, and I'll show you how to put it on your website, because this month for October, we're concentrating on websites. And so this is the quarterly magazine that they had this past quarter. That the newest one, I don't know, has come out, and I'm not going to do the newest one, but I can show you how to go in to create a new one. But today's thing I'm going to show you is how to create it so it looks like that the pages are turning. And you don't have to put, I mean, you can do it like this, but you can also, you don't necessarily have to put it on your website. You can use it for other reasons. So what you'll need to do is you want to go to flipsnack.com, and you can see right here it says flipsnack.com. And if you don't have an account yet, you'll be asked to go in. There is a free account here, and you can probably do other Flipbooks also, but there is a free account, but you can use only 3, and I have 3 in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one away, and I just did one up here a second ago. And I'm going to do that one again. So let me remove this one so I can create a new one. And so the first thing that you do is you go up here to the right and click on Upload PDF. And it could be any PDF. So when you create a document, like if you want to create, and I can show you like another day, or if we have time, I can show you how to do the magazine like that. But this is as if you're already created the magazine or a PDF and stuff. So you click here that says Upload Files. And then you'll find the file that you want to upload. I have my pre-listing packet. Here is what I want to do on today's. And once you click on it, you click over here and click on Next. And you'll see a preview over here in a second of what it looks like. So you can go through and click through it just to see like what is it going to look like. Over here, you can do some editing changes, and you can do some customization. You can go here, you can control what kind of stuff that you're wanting here. You can choose any different kind of controls here. I really don't change hardly anything on here. The accessibility, the other here. You can have it automatically flip through the pages, or you can have it so it sounds like. I personally don't like that, but some people might. I just like being able to, and you don't have to do the, oh, that looks funky. There you go. What it looks like. So you can click the bottom of the pages. Also. So once you are done with this, you want to click on up here that says Share Now. You want to give this a name and then any kind of description if you want to. But I'm going to leave it as my pre-listing packet. And click down here that says Publish. Over here on the left, you want to click on where it says Embed. And then the height here, this is what it's going to look like. The height, it's recommended that you change this to 800. And then you want to click on this Embed Code. And the reason why we're going to embed it is so that we're going to embed it into on our website. So you click on copy. But here you can send it through as an email. You can go ahead and send it like as it is. But like I said, what I'm doing is I'm going to continue from that. Any questions so far about anything that I did in the Flipbook?
Did you say there's a cost to this, or this is free?
You get 3 free.
Oh, okay.
Now you can upgrade to get multiples, but what you can do is if you're only going to do 3, and you can delete one if you need it and stuff. I've not paid for it yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Any other questions before I go back into our command? Okay. So when you go back into command, you want to go down here to the consumer, because this is where your website pages are. To the very last icon at the bottom left. And what we want to do here is we want to create a new page. And we want it on our agent site. The first thing you want to do is you want to name this page up at the top. So I want to name this is my pre-listing packet. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to add a text box. So down here where it says content blocks, you want to add by dragging it over, and you see how it turns green. That's where it's going to be. And then I want to highlight this, and I want to paste. And you can paste it by, if you're on a PC, you can do Control V. If you are on a Mac, you can do Command V, or you can do a right click and go down to paste. But to me, it's easiest to do the Control V. Now, once you click off of it, it should pop up. So we have to add a widget in here. So whatever that you want at the bottom of this widget, you can have a contact form, you can have download my app, you can do any of these that you want to do. I'm just going to add the contact form at the bottom. So if anybody wants to contact me. And so once you're done, you click up here that says Save Changes. So are you sure you want to publish it? Say yep. So it automatically takes you to this page here to add the pages. So at the bottom, you want to click on that says Add Page. And then you want to select the page that you just did. So you click on here that says Pre-listing Packet and click on Continue. What do I want to name it? I want to name it my pre-listing packet.
That one? No, pantry.
And then my slug. And then any description that I want to put in here for SEO. And click on Save. Oh, didn't mean to turn that off. And so click on Save. And then once you're done, you can notice it's down here at the bottom. Now I can move this by clicking on these 6 dots. I can move these up to wherever that I want it to go. So I want to put it after the buyer's guide. So now when I go to my website, let me go to the beginning. Let me refresh. And then here's my pre-listing packet right down here. So any of this, what you could do from here, if you want to send this to somebody in regards like a client or whatever, you can always copy this link up here, and you can email, text anybody this link, and that way you are taking them back to your website. If you just copy this and paste it, you can send it in a text, you can send it in however that you want to send it. What questions do you have?
Jen, when we first signed on, it looked like you had a newsletter type piece up there instead of the pre-listing packet. Where did you get the content for that? Is that through a different subscription, or did you build that in one of these places?
Are you talking about this?
It looked like a monthly newsletter or something, I thought.
The one was the quarterly magazine.
Yeah. So do you use something to get that, like those articles?
That's in command, and they automatically do it in command for you. It's in designs. Let me show
Okay.
you. Let me move this down. Let me go back to designs. And so you click here on designs. And then you want to create a design. Now those designs are under the print. So I'm going to click on print. And it would be under the lead generation right here. And and I have not done the first this month's or this quarter's. So here it says personally branded zine. So zine is for like magazine.
Mm.
And so here are is this one? Buddy one? Hang on a second. We had a pet costume contest. And my buddy, my dog was he was Elvis.
Oh, cute.
Oh yeah. Okay, so here are the magazines. So here's like the past. So you can see here it says quarter 2. This is quarter 3. So they haven't come out with the 4th quarter yet. But if you hold your cursor here, you can see like the pages. And what they do is they have three covers and 3 articles. So you can use it as one quarterly magazine and choose whatever cover that you want, or you can do one each month with a different thing. So let me show you how to do that. So here with these for the quarterly magazine, you can see up here that you can like personalize. So I can click up here the Keller Williams logo, and I can interchange it with my office logo up at the top. And here it says agent or team name, office name. We can change that also. And I can click up here for the typewriter and say BP team. And then click on save changes. There you go. Need to extend it out. There you go. But I can go through and make whatever changes, and I'm not going to do it entirely, but over here on the right where it says pages, you can see the covers of them. So if you can choose which cover that you want. I think I like that one better. So if you don't want to use a cover, you can these 3 dots, click here, and you can click on delete on both of those. And then you just click on through here, and they have in here a letter. You can go in and change what it says if you want, or you can leave it, because I mean you can click here and it's easy accessible to change whatever words that are in here. But what it's like, it only takes about 20 minutes to do this whole thing, because you can change put either your team name here or your name here, put your picture here. You can change this out if you want, put your information down there, and then just go on to the next page. The next page, you can choose here. You can put in the stats for the quarter 2022. This is the 2nd quarter. What I did on this one, I put my ours, like our market center. And then I put all of my LBAR, or which is my MLS. But you can choose whatever that you want to put in there. And that's the same with these articles. You can go in and change these articles if you want, or if you want to change a picture or whatever, but they have it so that you don't have to do anything. And you just kind of go through each one and make whatever changes that you want to make. You can add a listing in here, feature listing. You can do multiple feature listings. You can duplicate this and have to do the multiple right here. Unduplicate it. So it's here too. So if I want to do two different ones, if I want to move this one to somewhere further down, so do another feature listing someplace else. But once you are done, and you can even add a page down here too. But once you're done, you click on done. And then when you download it, you want to make sure, oops, go back. So when you download it, you can do PDF for printing here if you want to change it to a JPEG or just PDF standard. Your choice. And then, but you want to make sure that you click here that says all pages, because otherwise it's just going to do one page or however many pages. But that's what I did. And then I just clicked on download, and then that's what I uploaded to that Flipbook or Flipsnack.
And Flipsnack needs a PDF. So we would download it as a PDF.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for walking through that.
You're welcome. But I'm waiting for the next quarter to do it again on mine. Anything else? Questions, comments? What do you think about the Flipbook? Okay, well, I am going to turn off the video for the recording now. So give me a second.